I had submitted my site months ago in Google Search Console, and here if I click on the site performance, you can see that I have already got 2 clicks and 6 impressions. Now let me click on the sitemap and show you something interesting. Here you can see that 5 URLs in the sitemap are being discovered. Let's click on the index coverage and check these 5 URLs. Here I don't see any valid URLs. 5 URLs are excluded. Why? Why these URLs are excluded? Let's click here, and now down below you see it says they are discovered but not indexed. But why not indexed? Let's check further by clicking. And here you can see that these URLs are not crawled. There is no date appearing as when they were crawled last. Let me take you to the next step. Let's check here if the URLs that I have submitted are crawled or not. Well, nothing, not a single post URL or any pages that I have created have been indexed or crawled yet by Google since 3 months now. But why not crawled by Google? I will take you to my site. This is the site that I am referring to. Thanks for watching. Learn with Albert Pinto technical tips via tutorial. Hi and hello, welcome to my channel. Watch my last couple of videos here. This one is related to how to increase your site speed, WebP converter. Then the next one, how to get lyrics site approval. Very important video if you are working on lyrics site. Next one is on W3 plugin setup. And the next video is on how to generate unlimited traffic onto your site. And a few more videos related to exploring Goa. Now, we go to Blogger dashboard and click on settings. Search for crawlers and indexing. Click on custom robots text. Now here you can see that this site does not have sitemap submitted here in the settings. So how can you expect Google Search Console to index or crawl your URLs? Now let's submit a fresh sitemap. Let's type here sitemap for Blogger. You will get this first link, and this sitemap when created will submit also in Bing browser. In this area you need to paste your URL. I will copy my site URL and paste here. Don't forget to delete the existing link. Paste and click on Generate Sitemap. Here you can see your sitemap is generated. Copy the map from user index until here and paste here. Delete if you have anything in there and save it. So by submitting, you have already given a green signal to Google. Now let's check if our sitemap is correctly covered. Here you can see my all topics and page URLs covered. Now let's click on the sitemap here and simply write sitemap.xml and submit. submitted successfully. You can check the same location again tomorrow. The uncrawled URLs will appear here as crawled. Check the submitted date. Well, this was a troubleshooting video. Maybe looks simple, but wanted to create something differently to show how to create a sitemap in Blogger and how to submit the same in Google Search Console. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Until I see you next time again with another tutorial. You take care and bye-bye.